Henry 2, Foxtrot Tango Golf, and this is the Abbree AR-2520, so a 2 meter 70 centimeter rig. It was a cheap small mobile rig, so you get manual, the rig, the car adapter for it, you get a mic, a power cable, and some screws for attaching the bracket. The radio itself is pretty tiny. Same stuff on top of it. Usual UHF connector, as they do. Can't wait to swap it for Type N. Let's see. Oh, nice. The bottom is properly metallic, not plastic. So screen, volume, few buttons. RE45 for the mic. Small fan, I think that's an external speaker or something. And single fuse and the typical automotive radio connector thing. Interestingly, the power cable is just bare wires. The mic is a bit light, but at least it doesn't rattle or anything. You'll see how well it works, if at all.